Dagote, thank you for choosing San Carlos Apache College to start, continue, and/or complete your higher education journey. We're proud to provide you with a quality learning experience rooted in Apache wisdom and knowledge, where together we're building a home for lifelong learning. Today, I want to walk you through an important document you'll need for success in any course, the syllabus. Think of the syllabus as a trail guide. It tells you where you're going, what you'll need, and some important things to note along the way. Let's look at what's inside. The first section you'll see in any course syllabus is the course information. Here you'll find the course title, prefix and number, semester, the days and times you'll meet, as well as the classroom or virtual location where the class will be held, and how many credit hours the course is worth. This information should match what you see in the official course catalog and the schedule posted on the college website. Below that is information about your instructor, their name, phone, email, office location, and office hours. Please make note of these so you'll know how to reach your instructor if you need help. Next, we have the course description. This comes directly from the college catalog, so it matches what the course is officially about. After the course description are the student learning outcomes. These are the knowledge and skills you're expected to gain by the end of the course. They also guide the content and activities throughout the semester. The next part of a San Carlos Apache College syllabus is the course structure. This briefly describes the organization of a class, some of the learning activities that take place, and the assignments you'll complete. This section helps you understand how you'll be learning. Will you be listening to lectures, participating in discussions, collaborating with others through group work, engaging in research projects, giving class presentations? Understanding all this can help you advocate for any support you may need to be successful. Below this are the course learning materials and textbook information. Here you'll find a list of required textbooks and materials. Make sure to get these as soon as possible so you're prepared. The next parts of a syllabus go over a number of important policies and expectations. At San Carlos Apache College, we organize our class policies around our ARROW framework: accountability, respect, resilience, openness, and wisdom. I'll explain what each means in more detail as we arrive at each area. The first set of class policies and expectations relate to accountability. Accountability means taking responsibility for your work. It means meeting deadlines and following expectations. Here you'll find out how grades are determined, what the attendance policy is, and how participation is expected. For example, at San Carlos Apache College, grades are based on a letter scale: A, B, C, D, or F, broken down according to those percentages. In the syllabus, instructors will tell you how each assignment is counted towards your final grade. In addition, some instructors may include details about late work or missing assignments. Because each instructor grades differently, it's really important to review this section carefully so you know exactly how to succeed in the class. Also, part of the accountability section, you'll see the attendance policy. Missing too many classes can affect your grade or even lead to withdrawal from the course. If you're taking a class offered in person or by Zoom at a particular time, that attendance policy may be slightly different from a class that's fully online. However attendance and participation are defined for your classes, you can find that information in this section. There are also rules about how you can withdraw yourself if you decide not to complete the course, as well as how an instructor may withdraw you. While our hope is that every student completes and attends, we also understand that life happens. Be sure to review the academic calendar for those important withdrawal dates and communicate with your instructors about potential absences. A final item under accountability is academic integrity. In brief, all the work you do for classes must be your own, or the original work of the group you're in. Using resources outside your own knowledge and experience to guide you is a natural part of learning. However, those outside resources must be properly cited. This is particularly important in the age of the internet and with access to generative AIs like ChatGPT. Each instructor will communicate additional class policies regarding the use of AI platforms, and it's important to know those policies might be very different from class to class. Violations of academic integrity are serious, and students should consult the SCAC Student Handbook to learn about those in more detail. The next section of class policies fall under respect. Respect emphasizes creating a safe and inclusive learning environment. This section includes the equal access statement related to disability accommodations, Title IX information, and conduct policies against bias, bullying, discrimination, and harassment. Additionally, some instructors include information about cell phone use and classroom behavior in this part of the syllabus. Please reach out to your instructor, an advisor, SCAC staff, or the administration for questions or concerns related to any of these policies. The part of the syllabus that talks about resilience recognizes that life can bring challenges. Here you'll see policies about incompletes and course withdrawals, and how we balance student support with academic expectations. Class policies around openness highlight the communication between students and faculty. This part explains how instructors provide feedback, how quickly they respond to your messages, and what kind of transparency you can expect about assignments and due dates. Depending on the instructor, you may see this information displayed either as a detailed week-by-week calendar with readings, assignment due dates, or as a more general outline of topics that you'll cover. If you're taking more than one course this semester, take a moment to compare the different syllabi to see if you notice any differences. We want you to be successful, so be sure to check it often so you can plan ahead. And if you ever have any questions about when a particular activity is taking place or when something is due, ask your instructor. The final part of our syllabus is wisdom. Wisdom is about growing through critical thinking, communication, cultural knowledge, and environmental literacy. These general education outcomes are part of your overall college experience. To sum up, the syllabus is more than just pieces of paper. It's a contract, a guide, and a resource to help you succeed. Because it provides you with essential information about a class, keep it handy throughout the semester. Refer to it often. And if you ever have questions about the syllabus or anything in your class, please ask your instructor. We're here to help. Thank you, and we wish you the best of semesters.